How to send money from Coinbase wallet to Coinbase. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Coinbase wallet, and over there you would be able to find the option of send. Simply click on it. After that, you need to select the crypto that you want to transfer or the money that you want to transfer from Coinbase wallet to your Coinbase. Suppose I want to transfer my Ethereum from Coinbase wallet to Coinbase. So I will click on this option of send, then select the option of Ethereum. This way it would ask me to put a address over there, and for that you would have to open up your Coinbase, and over there just simply sign into your account, then go to the option of receive, and this is how you would be able to see a button called receive on Coinbase. If you don't see it, just simply select Ethereum there and then select the option of receive. This way you would be able to get an Ethereum address from your Coinbase, and just simply copy that particular Ethereum address from your Coinbase account, then paste it up on your Coinbase wallet, and after that just type the amount that you want to send, and after confirmation just simply send it. And this way you would be able to send the money from your Coinbase wallet to Coinbase, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.